Hello everyone. Today we will learn about menu flyout. The last lesson we learned about drop down button and how the menu flyout is the child of the drop down button. Now we continue learn about menu flyout itself. Okay, let's create a page. Class WinUI and menu fly out page. Menu fly out, that means the pop up on the screen that you can see. It's the container, okay? It's the container that store the content element item. Okay, go to app and run page. Menu fly out page. Okay, just save it and remove and go to coding. Like before, I will create scroll view. I will create scroll menu because I have a lot of elements. Okay, and the same like before, I create stack panel. I need some property, horizontal center, vertical center, and spacing 20. And now, before I write the menu flyout, I just tell you that the menu flyout always the child of the same content or the same element. The menu flyout can be the child of the app bar button. The menu flyout can be the child of the button. Okay, and the menu flyout can also be radio menu flyout item, etc. Okay, you will see more. Now we start. The first one, I will create a menu flyout, the child of the app bar button. Okay, app bar button. And I don't need content, I just use icon. Step icon, I could set sort. Okay. And I need some property like is compact. Is compact. True. And tool switch the tool tip. Sort. And auto property name sort. Now let's create the flyout of app button like the drop down button. App bar button dot flyout. You see? Wow, display all. Tab. Yes. Yes. It's good. I don't need to write. Oh, what's wrong? Flyout. Oh, you need to close here. Close app bar button flyout. Intelligent. I don't need to write. Just tap. They create for me. App bar button dot flyout. menu fly out is the child of the air button fly out. You see, it's not be standalone. And menu fly out, just container pop up on the screen. But menu fly out need the real content is the menu fly out item. The item is the real content that store the text and the event. So we have 3 items, 1 sort by name, 2 sort by date, and 3 sort by size. Every item has an event, sort by name click, sort by date click, and sort by size click. Now we go to run. No, we can run the app before we can add definition of here. Now just create definition for event. If you run, it will make error for you. So you need to create definition for that first. And okay, you can run. Come on. Here is the app button, app bar button, just the icon and click. You see, sort by name, sort by date, and sort by size. Now I need some text block to show that this element is clicked. So stop it and go to new backup and try with the text block. Okay, result text block like before. Go to definition, right? Text no result. Yes, not try to write, just tap result. Yeah, so by that and result. Wow, not difficult to write, just tap. They know I want to write. Now start to run. Look at the app here. Sort by name. Just click. Sort by name. Sort by date. Click. And sort by size. Click. This is the first one that menu fly out is child of the app bar button. No, you can learn more about app bar button, but this lesson I focus only menu fly out. Okay, let's continue. I will create menu fly out. It's a child of the button. Let's see. Button content menu fly out text or option. And then like above, button dot fly out, close. And the fly out need the menu fly out. So menu fly out, just tap. Wow. Like above, it's so easy. What's wrong? It's fine. What is wrong? Button fly out. This is button fly out. New item. Menu bar item. Oh no. Not here. This is the menu fly out. And close menu fly out. Save it. Any error? No error. Okay. So the first one, menu fly out is the child of a bar button. The second one, menu fly out is the child of the button. And the definition. Mhm. Okay, definition. You make a back, click definition, and try result. Okay, option 1 click result. Okay, option 2 click result. Okay, option 3 click save and run again. And error. No? Yeah, that worked. Look at here. This is the app bar button, and this is the button itself. Just click button, display option 1, 2, and 3. Just click option 1, yeah. Option 2, option 3. Oh, let's see, the instrument not fill of content with just sort. Now I need to change with of it lower pretty. So I just change with 150. Oh, button 2 with 150. So just save and go to app again. Oh yes, that's my option 1, option 2, and option 3. Okay, this is the menu flyout. It belong to button or the child of button flyout. Now let me find other one that can be work. Button flyout. Okay, and we said about icon. Now I try one like I will create the button here, but I will create some icon with the last item. So I get menu, file item, option 2, and go here. I create open tag and close tag because I want an element like menu item dot icon. Okay, and icon need font icon. Click here. I don't know, but I try to change this to there, and I will copy the code of lip icon here and save and run the app. It's the button and option 4, and look at the app, the button here. This is the icon. Okay, that's easy, right? And now I will work with keyboard shortcut because the menu flyout has a keyboard shortcut too. Let me find. I will create some menu item. Okay, one more menu item. Menu layout item. Let me set a text. Copy and icon. Icon be copy. You can create a chart like this in here, but I just make a short code. And now I need the shortcut keyboard, so we use menu the icon dot keyboard accelerator keyboard accelerator. Yes, this one. And keyboard operator key C and modify control. Okay, it's complete. Now I run the code. This is the menu fly out item like above. This is the text like above. The icon copy. You can create a new one here in the child here, or just put the icon and the value in the global value of the icon. I choose copy is the same. To write this for the short moment or short code, and I create menu flyout item keyboard operator is the container, and then the real value is keyboard operator key C, keyboard C, letter C, and the modifier that means control. That means you press Control C to copy. Okay? Now, let's try. Stop and run again. To add the app, C icon, copy, and this is the shortcut. Control C. Okay? Shortcut, when you press Control C, it will hide. Okay? And the real time copy something else, I don't know. You can find yourself. Now let's find another one. Oh, the menu flyout has the menu flyout separator too. Now I try the middle here. Menu flyout separator here. Okay, just save and run again. Now let's try. Here is a separator. Okay, so I teach you one by one, step by step. They work together, they walk together, can be error, can be slow, just one by one. Sometimes I speak not understand, I just speak with my language. Sometimes I just speak, not sing. Sometimes I sing, but my speech can be flow by itself. I don't know sometimes. If I say something wrong or I do something wrong, please apologize. I'm sorry too. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.